was at the dollar store recently and happened to notice these little battery-operated strings of LED lights. I also thought that they might add some pizzazz to my layout for the holidays. White LEDs would have been my first choice, but all they had left were 3 strands of the multicolor. So I think that could work too. A lot of people have the Rico station on their layouts. There's nothing special about mine. I bought it pre-assembled from a train show in Dayton, and it looks good, but it's pretty plain. I'm not sure if I want these lights to be permanently attached, so I thought I'd try Scotch tape at first. And even when cut into thinner strips, it was still too noticeable, and it didn't even hold very well. So I think I need to find some other solution. If I ever want to remove the LEDs, I think I should be able to scrape off most of the hot glue, which is only applied to the undersides of the roof overhangs anyway, so it's not too noticeable to begin with. The most time-consuming part of this project is holding the wire in place as the hot glue hardens. Otherwise, it goes fairly quickly. There are only 10 lights per strand, and I wish they were closer together, but the end result looks pretty good. Earlier this year, I printed out a few buildings in 1/48 scale and used a spray adhesive to attach them to black foam core. I've been using them as backgrounds in photos and also to add interest on my layout. If you want to see this process in greater detail, I'll leave a link to the original video in the description below. If nothing else, these flat buildings would fill up space nicely on a layout's back wall. I went through a lot of ink because I ended up with 7 of these in various sizes, some wide and low, and a few that are 5 or 6 stories tall. With 2 strands of lights left, I think I can spare 2 of these facades for the holidays. Hot glue works really well on foam core. And if I ever do remove the lights, it's only the backside that may lose some of the black paper material. The battery pack has the on-off switch, and hot glue will also hold that in place to the back of the foam core. I live in Cincinnati, and because of the Duke holiday trains at the museum center, my attention usually returns to Baltimore and Ohio trains around Christmas time. So this year, I combined some of these cheaply lit buildings and a few diesels and passenger cars to remind me of the museum's holiday layout. Three strands of LED lights were only $1.25 each. So for less than $4, I added some festive and seasonal lighting to my layout. It was kind of a quick and fun project. And if you had any fun watching this video, maybe think about liking and subscribing. Until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.